tendency na you commit mistakes?
Yes, ma'am.
Say for example, what word?
Ko.
Ku and okay. So when we say ku, meaning ako. Kung, K-U-N-G, that is if. Sama, no? Okay, so in conducting, okay, question number 2. Lejay, try to answer question number 2.
Paano nagiging hamon ang pagsasaling wika sa pagsulat ng mga sulating pang akademiko?
Are there activities in your Filipino subjects na you are more into kanang mga sulating pang-akademiko? Like, ano ba yung mga sulating pang-waka sa college?
Hindi na.
Wala na.
Pasok na yan sa sanaysay na
Sanay. So, give an example of the academics sa mga activities in Filipino wherein you find it hard in transferring from Bisaya, English to Tagalog. Pagsasalin. Yes. Na you can consider that one as common challenge nimo.
Pagsasaling ko.
Kasi unsa nga example na academic writing. Sa unsa to ma? Sa
pasasalin.
Actually, ma'am, you are already told us before our
research.
Kinauna na itong defense.
Okay.
You stated there, ma'am, na ang malaking hamon sa pagsasalin is yung magsalin ka ng poetry or tula. Why? Because ang tula kasi, ma'am, especially di malayang tula, kinakailangan na may tugma talaga siyang isinusunod eh.
Sa poetry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that belongs to academic, right? Okay. Question number 3. Ano-ano yung mga pananaw o mga strategies that you made para maibahagi ninyo yung kasama ninyo sa pagbabahagi ng pagsasaling wika? Question number 3. We'll answer. Yes. Anybody?
Ano ang pananaw? Pamamaraan sa pag-gagawin ng inyong kwan. Gawain nyo ng panalitin.
So, that is your number 3 major question. So, how will you answer question number 3?
Tingnan nito naman.
You read again.
Anong mga pananaw o strategiya ang naibabahagi sa pagsasalin ng mga wika upang ang mga mag-aaral na kumukuha sa major ng Filipino ay mas mapaghandaan ang kanilang kaalaman at kasanayan sa pagsasalin ng wika?
So, this is in preparation for the coming mga enrollees na Philippine major.
Actually, ma'am, hikayatin natin sila, ma'am. According there,
That's the perfect word, hikayatin. Okay. Next. What theories are you using in your study? You made mention of, you give me at least 3 theories.
I do have one.
Sige, okay, one
So,
theory.
ang aming theory ay nakaangkop siya sa translation, description,
Basahan na.
ay description translation theory, ma'am, na inaaral ni G.C. Catford 2019, I guess, na nagsabi siya doon, ma'am, na ang pagsasaling wika is yung pagbibigay description ng o proseso sa pagsasalin.
O, kato po si Criswell, di ba no? Now, let's go to the results. What are now the key findings of your studies? Key findings. Ang result ba? Ang sa
So we can conclude, ma'am, that the results of our findings, we find out there the different answered by the participants.
Duha ko pa, ano pa maaari.
Yes, ma'am. Lisod gyud ang pagsasalin, ma'am, according to them. Kay experience nila, mabala na to ang karanasan. experience nila. Ano kaya yung mga hamon nga lisod jud di ay kaayo ang pagsasalin. So I mentioned this at one practitioner who studied na ang pagsasalin pala ay paglilipat ng kaluluwa sa katawan ng isang patay. So in overall generalization that translation is not easy.
Correct. So as for me, as maybe all of you knows me so much, I do not use Filipino. I can't explain using the anak language. But however, iba kasi yung English language, Filipino, it is easy for us, we can connect directly.
Why it is easy for us sa English? Because that is our medium instruction for us. We are used to speak English.
Yes.
Unlike in other countries like China, English is just an FL, foreign language. It is offered as a subject, not as a medium of instruction. So that's why they could not really understand. They are only going to use English once they are in school. Once they are no longer in school, so they are going to use their L1.
Okay.
But whereas here, all our subjects, except Filipino, and what else? Filipino and Aralin Panlipunan are taught in
Filipino English.
Yes.
Filipino English.
The rest of the subjects are taught in
English.
Filipino English sa isang si Filipino English ang nila.
I am satisfied with your answers.
I will not ask questions anymore because I'm satisfied. One comment. Why is it that you are, kuha ninyo ang name ni,
Dapat
you are
ituloy
supposed to
ito.
open the name of your participants, not these people here. Si Ma'am Albano,
Participants lang daw.
si Dr. Melchor, ako ang name, si Ma'am Lorna. Pampay, no, they are not your participants. So, only the participants that you are not going to disclose.
Okay, we are all done
Yes,
asking
I know.
questions and we are all satisfied with your answers and we can tell you congratulations. He says successfully defended. Clap, hold on.